Welcome back, my third year super maths group. Okay, here we go. We're doing Construction 8. What's Construction 8 about? It's to copy a line segment like this of a given length, that length, on an array. Okay, so this length equals this length. Oh my god, this is simple. This is a lovely one, really easy. So who do we dedicate this to? Okay, SOM. This is dedicated to you, student of the week a few weeks back. Okay, here we go. So, blank page. It's called Construction 8. You don't really need to know that, but I think it's always a good idea as we systematically go through 1 through to 15 without 3 and without 7, that we can kind of keep track of where we're at. We're on Construction 8. So let's draw in our array. So as I say, it's a good policy maybe just to always start just here on the margin. We might change my mind about we might all change our mind about that later on, but for now it's a good policy to say that's our array. A line segment, I just think you should do it skewed up here somewhere. Okay, that's my line segment. Okay, and we're trying to reproduce this line segment on this array. Now array has only one endpoint, so we'll mark the unique endpoint on the array. And the line segment has how many endpoints? How many endpoints? 2. Let's mark them. Okay, so this is your measuring tool now. And whatever you open it to is 1 unit. So we're going to open it to 1 unit. So up we come, and touching, you want to just, oh, not quite, you want to just make, you know, a bit too, you want to satisfy yourself that you're in the middle of the dot there. Not a dot, there's no such thing as the middle of a dot, you can say. There's no such thing as the middle of a point, but you know what I mean. Okay, then lift your compass over and reconstruct that length without changing the arc length, or that length. Okay, now we're trying to reconstruct a line segment, and a line segment has 2 endpoints. Okay, now you might want to call that AB, you might want to call this A prime. It just means a kind of copy of A, or it's related to A in some way, and this is related to B. And then if you want to set for satisfaction, you can measure it. Okay, now we arbitrarily laid it down, and it's slightly shy of 8, it's 7.9, which I call 79 mil. And over we come here, and we do the same. Of course, that's 79 mil, we're not going to say anything else. Okay, you could speed things up and go, look, sir, you know, really, do we need that ray going in off straight across the page? No. Okay. Now don't go all the way from there to there, because your compass will only open so much. And try to make sure you've been generous with the length of your ray. Okay. Do mark the ends of your line segment. Do bring one of them all the way back to here, and do mark here. Okay. Now I gotta go AB, A prime, B prime. So I'm gonna finish it up. That was Construction 8. Okay, dedicated to SOM, and overall, and specifically an overall dedicated to my third years in Scoil na Trinóda Naofa. Super bunch of learners. Keep it up. Okay, and we're gonna all do our very best in the exam at the end of the year. Okay, we'll get the course covered, we'll do loads of practice on papers, and keep going. See you in the next one.